Today's question is, what equipment do you use to record your voiceovers? I have received so many compliments in the comments on my channel for the quality of my voiceovers. You guys say I have a pretty good speaking voice, and it makes it easier to learn from me on this channel. So if you are trying to record voiceovers, whether you're making YouTube content, you're recording a podcast, or you simply want to record messages for your business, I want to share with you the application that I use absolutely free every single day at this point to record content for this channel. And the name of that application is Audacity. I've been using Audacity since I was in high school. I was introduced to this application in my recording tech class, and I have been using it ever since. You can download this absolutely free. I'm going to walk you through how to download it, how I'm using it, and then show you the microphone that I use to record my voiceovers. So the quickest way to find Audacity online is just to do a very simple Google search. If you search Audacity download, the very first result is the download page. Now this works not only for Windows, but Mac as well, and it is absolutely free. So you can simply download the free software, which is developed by volunteers, and you save it on your computer as a desktop application. So if I just take a moment, I am actually using this right now to record the voiceover. So this is what Audacity looks like. And you can see that it is creating a track for me as I speak that I can turn into an MP3 and a WAV file that I can export and use in Adobe Premiere to supply the voiceover for my channel. So it's super easy to use. They've got effects that you can also add. You can do all sorts of things, change your pitch, change the speed. You can distort things. You can, honestly, all of these features I really don't use. I simply open up the application, hit the record button, make sure that my microphone is selected up top, and then I simply start to talk. Once I start the recording, then I open up a program called Screencast-O-Matic, which I will, of course, do a video about, and I begin to record my screen. So now that I've shown you what program I use to record the voiceover, you've got to choose a microphone. Now, my husband does video production for a living, and we have Rode microphones that we use when we go on location. However, I wanted something very simple and easy to use that I could plug into the USB port on my computer. So if you just go to Amazon and just do a quick search for Yeti Snowball microphone, this is exactly what I use. Now, I will tell you that the price of these microphones has gone up just a bit because of the pandemic. So many people are utilizing microphones along with their webinar software or their video conferencing software. So you're going to see perhaps low inventory, or it'll simply take you a little while to get it. But this is exactly what I'm using. To be honest with you, I actually dropped this Yeti microphone. So right about here, I've glued it back together. But that's literally all I'm using. I'm using this Yeti microphone, and I'm utilizing Audacity to simply record my content on my desktop computer, and then I am dropping it into Adobe Premiere when I go to edit it. So you guys can utilize this software. As you can see, it's not very complicated. Don't get so caught up in all the different options. If you simply want to plug and play, just plug in your Yeti microphone, download Audacity, start talking, and then click on File, Export, and export as an MP3 or WAV when you're done. Thanks so much for stopping by 30 Days of Apps. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on the notifications so you know when I've uploaded the next video in this series. My name is LaShonda, and this is Bootstrap Biz Advice, where I teach you how to grow your biz without breaking the bank. If you need help with your website, click on the link in my description to check out my Squarespace Expert Designer profile. You can also gain access to my resource library for free by clicking on the link in my description. Until next time, ta-ta for now.